everyone! Today I'm going to teach you how to download Cocricot, the mod with the furnitures and stuff, without your game crashing. Let's get to it. Alright, so the first thing that you're gonna want to do is open your Minecraft and make sure that you have Minecraft first, because without Minecraft you won't be able to play the game. Good job. And then what you're gonna want to do is, if you haven't installed Minecraft 1.12 yet, you're gonna want to go to installations, click on new installation, name it whatever you want. I'll just name it like 1.12.2, and then search 1.12.2, and then create this, and then click on here, and then scroll down to here, and then download this version of Minecraft if you haven't yet. And then if you've already done that, well then you're going to proceed to the next step. What you're going to want to do is open your browser, and then I have the links of these pages down in the description below. So we're going to install Forge first. Click on this, and then it's going to redirect you to this page. We're going to the left side of the screen, click on 1.12, 1.12.2, and then download recommended. Make sure that it's the recommended one and not the latest one. Click on this, and then it's going to redirect you to this place, but don't worry, just wait for 5 seconds until you see the skip button, and then it's going to automatically download it for you. Once you've done that, let's just wait for it to finish loading. Alright, now that it's finished loading, we're gonna want to exit out of Minecraft first, and then click on this, and then you're gonna not want to touch any of these and just click OK. And then it's going to install it for you. Click OK again, and then let's check if it's been installed. Open your Minecraft. Now, since I already have it installed, I'm not going to do anything, but if you've installed it for the first time, you're gonna want to go and click new installation again. Name it whatever you want. I'll just go ahead and name that to that. 1.12.2, search that up, and you're going to see the Forge releases right here. And then you're gonna want to click on the one that you've installed, of course, and then create, and then play, and then you're good to go. Alrighty, the next step is to download Optifine. Now, the link of this will also be in the description, as will all both of these other links. We're gonna click on this. Let's go to this Optifine site, and we're gonna click on downloads, and we're gonna click on show all versions. Scroll down, click on Minecraft 1.12, like the download over here, and then wait for it to load again for 5 seconds. Click on skip, and then download. Now, this time, we're not gonna click on this, alright? Let's move on to the next step first. Alright, the next step is to download the Just Enough IDs mod. What this will do is to remove the limits of wait, where's the description? I don't know what this does. Description. Alright, here we go. Hold on. Just Enough IDs is a lightweight mod that removes the block, item, biome, potion, and enchantment ID limits by using the 1.13 chunk format and 1.12. So that's basically what it does. It just, removes the limit of the blocks that you can have. Alright. So, the link I gave you will automatically redirect you to the files section of Just Enough IDs mod, and what you're gonna want to do is not click on this one, alright? This one is the latest version of this mod, and this version of the mod actually causes your game to crash or get an error code 1. So we don't want that. What we're gonna do instead is to scroll down here over to just enough IDs version 1.0.3-55. This is like the second earliest, latest version. So we're gonna click on this one, download file, wait for it to download, and then there it is. Alright, last but not the least, of course, we're going to install the mod and the texture pack themselves. Let's go to the main page of Cocricot. And then look at this. It's beautiful, isn't it? Alright, so basically it's a resource pack mod used for building. And look at all of these beautiful furnitures and items and stuff. Don't you just love it? Very aesthetically pleasing to the eyes. Alright, is it the or the? Anyways, what we're gonna do is we're going to go to download, or you can just click up here, or do what I did and just scroll down. And then we're going to scroll down to 1.12 Java Edition, right? We're not gonna go to all of these other versions because they don't have the mod, meaning you won't get like all the furnitures and stuff that you want. So we're just going to click on this, and of course read your terms of use. I've already read it because I've already installed it on my games, and just click I agree to the terms of use, and then wait for it to download. Oh wait, no, this one isn't. Okay, oops. All right, it's going to redirect you to this. Don't worry, it's perfectly safe. And then you click on download anyway. Wait for it to download, and then it's going to download depending on the speed of your internet connection. Of course, mine's just it's taking just a few seconds, and boom, I got it.
Okay, I like it, Picasso.
Okay, now what you're gonna want to do is exit out of there, and then oh shoot. Okay, anyways, what you're gonna do is you're going to press the Windows button on your keyboard and the letter R. So like that's Windows R, and then you're gonna get this little run window thingy. You're going to enter %app data without spaces, and then % again. Click on OK or enter, and then click on Minecraft. You're going to go to mods first, and then what you're going to do is you're going to create a folder. Right click, new, and then folder. We're going to name this folder into 1.12.2, enter. And then double click on that. Go to where your downloaded files are. For me, it's just right over here in my downloads folder. And then what we're going to do is we're going to extract the Cocricot resource pack and mod folder zip file. Yeah. And then extract all, and then extract. And then this window is going to pop up. Just minimize that for a second. So first, what we're going to do is put in the optifine 1.12 to the folder, and then next is the just enough IDs, and then finally we're going to go through, just exit out of there. We're going to go through the extracted folder of the Cocricot resource pack and mod. We're going to put the Cocricot mod into the 1.12 mods folder, and then click back on Minecraft. And then you are going to go to resource packs, and then don't extract this one, right? You're going to place this unextracted zip file into the resource packs folder, and then yeah, that's all there is to it, I guess. Now we're going to have to test if it works or not. Alright, now that it's loaded, we're gonna have to do go to mods first to check if our mods are working. So we put in our Minecraft Forge, of course. We have the Cocricot mod. Hooray! Now the optifine is not going to show, but I assure you, it's there. It's just hidden, I think. And then we have the just enough IDs. They're both enabled. Don't click on any of these buttons. Now click on done, and then we're going to go boot up a world. Alright, now that we're in this world, first off, go to your, click on escape, press on options, because we have some things to take care of first. Go to resource packs, because if you boot up your Minecraft game like this normally, of course, you're not gonna see anything, right? It's just normal, regular old Minecraft. And we want magic to happen, alright? So we're gonna go to options, resource packs, and then we click on this little play button arrow thing to the right, and then click on done. And it's going to lag for a bit because it's applying the texture pack, and Minecraft 1.12 doesn't exactly have a loading screen for, applying texture packs and shaders and stuff like that. But here you are. This is the texture pack. Isn't that great? Now, there's still some settings that we have to configure for the mod to be able to work properly. So first we go to settings again, options, and then we click on the video settings. Then we go to details. Make sure your clouds are off, alright? And your trees are set to either smart or fancy. Look at how much that changes. So I just put mine to smart, because smart makes it, it's higher quality, but your game is faster. Meanwhile, the fancy one, highest quality, and it makes your PC slower. So there's that, and then next is we're gonna go back, done, and in quality, and then we're going to set the connected textures to fancy, because if you don't, your game's gonna break, and you really don't want that, alright? Alright, if you have like shading bugs in your game, what you're gonna want to do is go to your options, you're gonna go to your video settings, and then we're gonna go to, hold on, smooth lighting, smooth lighting. You're gonna go to smooth lighting and make sure that it's not off. You have to make sure that it's either in minimum or maximum. I set mine to maximum because come on, good graphics, right? And then if you're having problems with your shaders, you're gonna want to go to options again, click on video settings, shaders. If you have yours on, these settings that are grayed out will become like lighter, and they're going to be able to be like turned on and off, and you're gonna want your old lighting to be on so that it reduces bugs and like reduces your textures to be grayed out or stuff like that, and for it to not break, you know? Alright. To prove that optifine is active, I'll just click on my zoom key, which is the letter C. It could be different for you. If you want to find out where that is, just click on options again. I think it's in controls, and then just scroll down, and then right here you have your miscellaneous zoom. That mine's in letter C, and that's basically one of the features of optifine. But mostly I think it makes your game textures look smoother and seamless, and for it to not break. So there's that. Alright, now to test if the mod really does exist and work. Here comes the boy, not that kind of boy, this one. Alright, if you see these arrows and stuff, the arrow banner thingy, that means you have successfully put the Cocricot mod on your game. Good job. Here, you've got stairs and roofs and beds and curtains. My favorite part of this is actually the food, the drink and the food, because you have so many things to choose from. Well, it's not that much, but like, look at these. These are really freaking adorable. Look at this. We can, we can make this. Look, I'm just gonna. Do you not know how cute this is? Look at this. Just prop up a chair, prop up a table, put on some food, put on some steam. There you go. Isn't that cute? And by the way, you can also sit on these chairs. Look. Hey, good job. I'm sitting down with my croissant. Eh? Anyways, thanks for watching. Goodbye. I hope you enjoy, and if you've got any more concerns, well, um, uh, I mean, you can go to the comments and talk to me about it, but I'm not sure if I'll be able to successfully help you. But anyways, yeah, that's all for the video. Goodbye. See you in another one.